There, I said it. Your secret's safe with us, John Doe. Grab the $5 Triple Double Crunch Wrap box with the Triple Double Crunch Wrap, 2 crunchy tops.
Bill Goudy checking in. I'm telling you, what a day. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, such a sweetheart. It's sundown. I've been working. Yeah. Got that old motorhome out of here. Oh man, was that a job. That brake was locked up, that's for sure. I had to go to Harbor Freight and buy a puller, a special hydraulic puller. $99, it was on sale. But it did the job safely, it did the job. I could have used the winch on the four-wheeler. Yeah, I could have, there's lots of ways I could have done it. But you know what? I just used that like a hydraulic jack. I took a couple different bites and pulled that hub right off there. A whole lot safer it was. All right. You're my sweetheart. Yes, you are. Can you get him? Go get him. Oops. You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. I got my salad. And over here, yes, I have blue cheese dressing, but I didn't put it on. No, I use mayonnaise and black pepper. Kenny DeMarco told me to do that. On this pork steak, yeah, it's just a ham. It's just a back ham on that wild hog. And I'm using that Adolf meat tenderizer, the seasoned Adolf meat tenderizer on that. I'm in here, I just put clear water and garlic powder and then grilled it. Oh, let's dig in, shall we? Oh, I want to thank Casey. KCR, he sent it to me. Yeah, he did. And I really like the Adolf's meat tenderizer, but I tell you what, I'm liking that seasoned ate off meat tenderizer, even better. Awful windy. I don't know if that wind's bothering you or not. Might have to do a voiceover. It's hard to say. Let's dig into this. Wild hog. Texas wild hog. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. That is excellent. Excellent. Not bad at all. That seasoning really makes a difference. Let's try some of this grilled asparagus. Oh yeah. It's gonna make me pee funny, but yeah, smelly. Especially with the garlic. That is so good. Oh. Now let's try this salad. Mayonnaise and black pepper. Kenny DeMarco recommended this, and I like just the plain mayonnaise, but hey, I like black pepper too. Well, let's get some lettuce in there. I love that tossed salad. There's more than enough food here, I'm telling you. More than enough. Get those priorities straight. Gotta go. Appreciate you watching. Bill Goudy out.